Have you ever wished there was a simpler way to manage your finances? A way to see all your accounts in one place, track your spending, and even save money automatically? Well, that's where Vivid comes in. Today, we're going to show you how to connect your bank account to Vivid so you can start taking control of your finances. But before we dive into the steps, let's ask ourselves, why should you connect your bank account to Vivid in the first place? Why connect your bank account to Vivid? Imagine having a financial dashboard that gives you a clear overview of your money. You can see your income, expenses, and savings all in one place. No more juggling multiple bank apps or spreadsheets. Vivid also offers a range of features to help you save money. You can create different pots for specific goals, like a vacation or a new car. You can also set up automatic savings rules, so a portion of your income is automatically transferred to your savings pots. Plus, Vivid's budgeting tools can help you track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. You can see how much you're spending on different categories, like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Step-by-step guide. Now that you know why connecting your bank account to Vivid is a good idea, let's get started. Download the Vivid app. The first step is to download the Vivid app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to create a Vivid account. You can do this by entering your email address and creating a password. Add a bank account. After creating your account, you'll be prompted to add a bank account. Select the bank you want to connect. Follow the instructions. Vivid will provide instructions on how to connect your bank account. This may involve entering your online banking credentials or using open banking. Verify your account. Once you've entered your bank account details, Vivid will need to verify your account. This may involve authorizing a small transaction. Security and privacy. Before we wrap up, it's important to address security and privacy concerns. Vivid uses industry-standard security measures to protect your data. Your bank account details are encrypted and stored securely. Connecting your bank account to Vivid can be a game-changer for your financial management. With features like budgeting, saving, and tracking your spending, you can take control of your money and achieve your financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Vivid app and start connecting your bank accounts today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.